Hi, my name's Pat Drnach and I live in Bethel Park, Pennsylvania. I chose Pittsburgh's Best, number one, because they did do my deck. This is the first time I've done a major project, so I wasn't looking forward to interviewing multiple contractors. They just made me feel at ease. I trusted them from the beginning, and that's just how I did it. They did the deck. Welcome to my kitchen. Their insight, their experience. I knew I wanted more countertop and more cabinets, but I could not have figured this layout myself by any means. So the professionalism in considering what I wanted, showing me how it could be done in a way that fit my needs and my taste, that was perfect for me. My biggest concern was that I was going to not like the kitchen when it was done. And Missy assured me that she would not let me pick anything that I wouldn't like. And she was right. I love what we've done. She was really easy to work with. She did a great job. They were polite, they were very considerate, what we needed access to, and they worked with us. I think they were great. I just have nothing negative to say at all. Favorite feature about the deck combines with the kitchen because we replaced this window over the sink. Now, there had been one, wasn't a great one, so it didn't get used. And now that I have the new window, it's really easy to communicate out onto the deck. I can hand things through the window if I need to. One of those, it's kind of a silly thing, but it made a big difference when you get things fixed. It's amazing how well you can use them. And this was just a simple window. I can only tell you that I've had nothing but good experience. I trust them. They worked well with my deck, with anything I had questions about. We modified what had originally been there, so they assured me what would work and what wouldn't work. And the same with the kitchen. They didn't let me pick anything I didn't like. I love my new kitchen. My son does a lot of cooking. I do a lot of baking, so this fit our needs very well. Probably the two highlights of the kitchen are my spice rack, which I love, and my deep drawers for the pots. Those are definitely things that I did not have before, let alone I didn't have the countertop and all the cabinets. Thank you so much to Pittsburgh's Best for your qualified employees and their carefulness, their caring about your customers. I have no hesitation, and I have spoken to people on multiple occasions and highly recommended them. And again, it's not just the end result, it is truly the whole process. It was awesome.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.